For writing PHP code, we can write by using Notepad or any text editor, but for making it easier, there is some special text editor, that is Visual Studio Code or Atom. Visual Studio Code is very popular nowadays, and this is my favorite one, but in this video I am going to use Atom. Like any other software, you can install Atom on your operating system, Windows or Linux, whichever operating system you are using, you can install Atom on it very easily. After installing Atom, let's open it. Atom. Okay, once you have opened it for the first time, you might see some different screen. You just need to close all the welcome or different screen from here. You need to add the folder which you made inside htdocs. I have made this folder tutorials, so just drag it and drop it in here. Okay, and in the left side you can see an arrow, left arrow, just click here. You see the project folder is here. Okay, and the file we made, that is PHP index.php, is here. Okay, go to edit menu. Inside edit there is a option preference. Inside preference you need to go to install. Here I have installed a package, that is PHP. Just search for PHP, and in here you see darken Atom snippet for PHP, right kind of wrong. This will highlight your syntax of PHP, so I highly recommend you to install this. Install. Okay, once you have installed it, next go to index.php. Just adding PHP in your extension of the file doesn't make the PHP code valid. So to make it valid, we need to write something like this: less than $PHP greater than. In between these two question mark, we need to write some PHP code. So let's write some PHP code. At first we are going to see how to write a comment. This comment will not execute. Okay, this is only for reading purpose. For example, to make your code more readable, you can comment. Okay, so let's write our first comment. This is comment. Okay, just control and /. This will be a comment. Okay, let's see. Just give 2 /. Okay, 2. Let's check out another way of comment. Another way of comment is /**/ ***. In between 2 asterisk we can write comment. This is another way of comment. Okay, save it and let's reload the page. You see nothing is showing here, nothing is executed. Okay, this is only comment, this will not execute. To show something on the screen in PHP, we are going to use echo, ECHO, echo and double quotation mark. This is a string, and at the end of our line we need to add this semicolon, otherwise it will give us an error. So let's write something. Echo will print something. Okay, save it and once again reload the page. You see this echo is printing, okay, echo will print something. For example, if you just remove this semicolon and reload the page, it will work perfectly, but we can't add more line below this, okay. Control Shift D for duplicating the line. Okay, let's try it out. It's saying page, this page is not working because we are not successfully going to this echo. So that means we need to end the line here by using semicolon. Okay, once we end this line successfully in here, we can go to the next line. Server is reading this code from the top to bottom. At first it is reading this line, is saying this is a PHP code. After that it is going down below. Down below you see this is a comment, so it is skipping and going here. Okay, in here it's saying echo will print something, and this line is end here. After that let's give another semicolon and both of the line will print successfully. You see echo will print something, echo will print something. This echo, for example, let's make it EC, C with uppercase. Let's try it out. You see it is still working. In here this case doesn't matter, it is not case sensitive. Let's make it ECHO, O with uppercase. Okay, you see the same thing is printing in here. I forgot to tell you one thing. This comment, actually this comment is multiple line. We can add multiple line in between here. For example, this is multi-line comment and we can enter, okay, but this is not multi-line code, multi-line comment. Okay, if you write something below here, you see this is not comment anymore. For example, if you save this and reload the page, you see the page is not working, something went wrong. Okay, that means we need to comment this line as well, and this time it will work. Okay, so inside this PHP tag you can't write anything. Okay, you can't write anything. Okay, this will give you an error. For example, save this and reload the page, this will give you this error, page is not working. To write anything, whether you need to declare it in a variable, or you need to write a function, or you need to write that inside a string variable, don't worry, I'll discuss furthermore about this topic. Okay,